Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Rear power outlet, front power outlet, front power outlet is coming from the fuse, which is a CIG fuse number 15, and this is Toyota Seinna 2006, and this is from the behind the dash, left side of the steering column. This customer, he tried to charge the tire and like to fill the tire air and the pump, make a short and take that line off. It is 15 amp fuse. I'm gonna go show you where it's located, and when you don't have the telephone charger working on your car or the power outlet is not working, this is PO outlet, cigarette fuse, radio fuse. They're all coming from this after the accessory relay close when the ignition is in the accessory mode. Okay, this is the car here, Toyota Seinna. It could be from Toyota Seinna from 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10. All Seinna that have the okay, let me stop the music. I don't want to know. I'm gonna put the volume down because I don't need copyright. Now if you come here, you see this is a fuse box. It's sitting like this. If you take it out like this, you're gonna look here, and if you look in this place here, you read it, you see here, you say heater, radio. This is for the heater, radio, power outlet. If you remember, if you go back to fuse, and this is a cigarette. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fuse look like this, 15 amp. So if you come to the fuse box, the last line, the first line here from front. So this 1, 2, 3, and this number 4. If I take this one here now, the car is running. See there? I'm gonna pull this one out. As soon as I pull this, will go away. You see? The light go. So you don't have no charge, nothing there. So what you need to do is, you're gonna put it back here. You see? That's the place. As soon as you push it in, the light will come on and everything will work. Yes, this is how to change the power outlet for your car. And this, you can buy those fuse box, a set of fuse. Always buy something like this, and I'm gonna leave a link in the bottom. Keep it with you in your car. It will be benefit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun.